Welcome back to my YouTube channel, your go-to source for all things tech-related. In this video, we're diving into the world of cloud hosting with a focus on Google Cloud VPS hosting. If you're looking to harness the power of the cloud for your website or application, stay tuned as we unravel the key information you need to know about Google Cloud VPS hosting. Understanding Google Cloud VPS hosting. Let's start with the basics. VPS stands for Virtual Private Server, a powerful hosting solution that offers a balance between shared hosting and dedicated servers. Google Cloud VPS hosting takes this concept to the next level by leveraging the vast infrastructure and resources of Google's global data centers. Animation of Google data centers. With Google Cloud VPS hosting, you're allocated a portion of a physical server that runs in a virtualized environment. This provides you with dedicated resources, including CPU, RAM, and storage, ensuring consistent performance and greater control over your hosting environment. Benefits of Google Cloud VPS hosting. So, why choose Google Cloud VPS hosting over other options? Well, there are several key benefits that set it apart. Graphics highlighting benefits. Scalability. Google Cloud's infrastructure allows you to easily scale your resources up or down based on your needs. Whether you're experiencing a sudden traffic spike or anticipating growth, you can adjust your VPS configuration accordingly. Reliability. Google's robust network and redundant architecture ensure high availability and minimal downtime. Your website or application stays online even in the face of hardware failures. Global reach. With data centers located around the world, you can choose a data center that's closest to your target audience. This minimizes latency and improves user experience. Security. Google's advanced security features, including firewalls, encryption, and regular security updates, help safeguard your data and applications. Setting up Google Cloud VPS hosting. Now, let's walk through the steps of getting started with Google Cloud VPS hosting. Creating an account. Begin by signing up for a Google Cloud account. You'll need to provide your billing information. But don't worry, Google offers a free tier with credits to get you started. Launching a virtual machine. Within the Google Cloud Console, you can create a new virtual machine instance. Choose the operating system, resources, and configuration that suit your needs. Customizing settings. You have full control over your VPS environment. Customize settings, install software, and manage your server as if it were a physical machine. Screen recordings of account creation and VM setup. Managing and optimizing your Google Cloud VPS. Once your Google Cloud VPS is up and running, it's important to manage and optimize your setup for peak performance. Monitoring tools. Google Cloud provides a suite of monitoring and logging tools to keep an eye on your server's performance, track usage, and troubleshoot issues. Auto-scaling. Set up auto-scaling to automatically adjust resources based on traffic fluctuations. This ensures optimal performance without manual intervention. Backups and snapshots. Regularly back up your data and create snapshots of your virtual machine. This helps you restore your server to a previous state if needed. Demonstrations of monitoring tools and auto-scaling setup. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of Google Cloud VPS hosting. Whether you're a business owner looking for a reliable hosting solution or a developer seeking greater control over your environment, Google Cloud VPS hosting offers the power, scalability, and security you need. As always, remember to do your research and explore the documentation to make the most of this powerful hosting option. Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you in the next episode.